is Pedro Geronimo. I'm currently attending the Aerospace Machining Technology. I'm going for my CNC operator certificate. What I like most about this program is it's a lot of hands-on. We work with two different machines, which is a lathe and the mill. In the class time, we always discuss on questions that we have, and we go over it, we review it so we can understand it. Well, we have an excellent instructor. He's really high known. He's really professional when it comes to the machine, and he breaks it down to the simplest form so we could come into the lab and do it right away, and we could do the procedure.